1500 remains mostly unchanged for 2018. Although there are a few new standard and optional features, there is also a special Harvest Edition and a new top-of-the-line limited Tungsten Edition. The latter includes a premium leather interior with a faux suede headliner. Its exterior has distinct features such as a sport hood and a chrome grille emblazoned with the Ram name. The optional 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen adds desirable features including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A backup camera is now standard on all models, and a remote exterior switch in the cargo box activates LED bed lights. The Ram 1500 Sport model adopts a body color grille with pig-like nostrils, also seen on the tungsten trim. The off-road ready Ram 1500 Rebel is now available with a leather interior. What was new for 2017? The 2017 Ram lineup remained mostly the same as 2016. Other than certain features that became standard on various models, the Rebel added the 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system, automatic dual-zone climate control, remote start, a premium gauge cluster, a backup camera and rear park assist, a security alarm, and a limited slip differential. The Laramie Longhorn received LED bed lighting, keyless entry, auto high beams, and rain-sensing wipers. Trims and options we'd choose. Of the seemingly endless trims, body styles, and powertrains, the Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab model with the short bed tickles our fancy. We ditch the standard V6 and pack it with the 5.7-liter Hemi V-8 for an extra $1,950. Those who don't need all-wheel drive can save $3,600. Midwest winters, however, make it mandatory for us. That setup costs $47,335, or about $3,000 more than a 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 CrewMax with off-road gear that we spec'd. Regardless of where your loyalties lie, both are aging pickups that need an overhaul to better compete with the current GM and Ford trucks. Still, the Ram 1500 Bighorn is well equipped at this price. Standard features include a 7.0-inch driver information display, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat, automatic dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and an 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We'd also add 4-corner air suspension, $1,715, premium cloth bucket seats, $295, limited slip rear differential, $435. Altogether, our Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab costs $49,345.